Speaking is not only about speaking, but also about writing, reading, listening, and practicing. So there are many things that you need to follow if you want to improve in this language within few days, within few months. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. This is Aditya Prajapati and I'm going to talk about 5 steps that you need to follow for learning English. If you're a beginner, then you must follow these steps to improve your communication skills, to improve your English speaking. If you are learning English and you're a beginner, then you must watch this video till the end, because here I'm going to talk about 5 steps that you have to follow. So you must watch this video till the end. So without any further delay, let's get in the video.
It's not a game, it's a rich game.
Guys, number 1 step starts with listening practice. Why am I saying why I always recommend to listen a lot in particular, that particular language in which you want to be improved, you want to improve yourself, because everything starts with listening practice. Then it comes to learning a language. Because let me give you an example. When we were born, we did not know any language, we did not know anything, but we just used to listen a lot, directly or indirectly, by our parents, by our siblings. We just used to listen a lot. We just used to listen to the things indirectly. But after passing 1 or 2 years, we started speaking some words. How did it happen? Because we were listening the things. So our mind captured some things, and we were just listening to the things, to the same things again and again, and it helped us to start speaking those words after passing some time. So that's why I'm just recommending you guys that you need to start with listening practice. What do you need to listen? You can listen some podcast videos, and you can watch some shows like America's Got Talent. Will also help you a lot. If you are interested in watching some shows, some TV shows, I will highly recommend you to watch something which will make you feel that you are enjoying and that you are learning something. You can watch America's Got Talent here. And next thing, what you can follow, that is you can watch native speakers while talking about daily habits, about daily things, about day-to-day life in English speaking. You can watch those videos only for listening practice. You don't need to focus on other things. You just need to listen a lot. You just need to listen. So this must be your first step. And second step, what do you need to follow? That is, you need to start speaking from your first day. Why am I recommending to start speaking? Because you guys, what do we guys want? While practicing, we want to speak. We want to speak in front of anyone. We are not, actually, guys, we are not learning English for our academics or exams. We are learning English for speaking purpose, for our communication. For our communication skills. That's why I'm saying you need to start speaking from your first day. You have to follow some steps for speaking practice. You can't practice English alone. This is a bigger milestone that you need to follow. Practicing English alone itself can help you a lot to improve in this language. Why am I saying this? Because you are not dependent on other external factors. You are not looking for environment. You are not looking for friends to practice with them. You are not looking for having conversation with others. You are just dependent on yourself. So that's why I'm just recommending you to practice English alone, and it will help you to become fluent English speaker. Because I myself am the live example in front of you. That's why I'm able to speak, because I practice English alone. And number 3 step that you need to follow, that is, you need to start reading. loudly but slowly. Why am I saying this? If you will start reading, it will help you to improve your pronunciation, it will help you to improve your communication skills, it will help you to improve your translation skills. Here, if you will practice every day, if you practice reading skill every day, you are just reading some sentences every day, you are reading some same things day by day, and it will help you to connect some new things. It will help you to give new kinds of words, new kinds of vocabulary. It will help you to give new kinds of grammatical structures. It will help you to learn new things by reading. Reading is big thing. When I was beginner, I also used to read newspapers loudly. I also used to read books for improving English speaking. So it helped me a lot. That's why I'm saying you need to start reading. You need to start reading. This will help you to improve your pronunciation skill. This will help you to improve your fluency. This will help you to improve your speaking tone. So I think you have got this point too. And guys, fourth step that you need to follow is writing. Writing a diary can help you a lot. You need to write a diary. You need to start writing your self diary. It will also help you to improve your mental strength. It will help you to improve your mental health also, because you are writing about your daily routine. You are writing everything, whatever is going on in your mind, whatever the overthinking might be going on in your mind. You need to write something in your diary, and you need to write that thing in English language. This will help you in many ways. One thing, first thing you will be able to get, that is you will be able to improve your mental health, and second thing, you will be able to improve your English speaking or writing skills. So there are many things you can get while writing. The final step that must be, you need to be confident enough. You need to believe yourself. You need to believe yourself that you can do it. You can do whatever you want. You can do. This is just a language, but nothing. This is just a language. You don't need to take it this is very high-fi thing. This is very tough thing. No, it is very easy. Learning a language can be a very enjoyable thing. Rather than if you are learning something for academics, if you are learning something, it will be very tough for you. But learning a language, almost a very enjoyable thing for me. If I'm talking about myself, when I'm learning, when I'm speaking English, I literally enjoy speaking. That's why I feel English is very easy language. I feel English is very comfortable language. English is very good language in which I'm just enjoying myself. And with this, if I'm enjoying something, I'm learning it easily. Because whenever we are enjoying something, whenever we are doing something which is enjoyable, we are doing that thing with 100% focus. That becomes very easy to learn because of the focus. Yeah, if you have found the video helpful, if you found this video relevant for you, for your English speaking, then you have to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want me to make some videos about some very relevant topics. So I will definitely make videos on those topics. So I think I should end this video here. So have a good day. We'll meet in another video.